Okay, so we're going to replace the water filter in the second cartridge here to show you how simple it is. Ensure that the water supply, the red tap on your T-piece is perpendicular. So the tap on the T-piece is perpendicular. So the one that feeds your red unfiltered water hose, make sure it's at right angles to the hose, not running directly with the hose, right angles. That means the water supply is turned off to the filter. So no more water pressure is being pushed into the filter housing. Ensure that you open the water filter tap, which I've done to release the water. That will release additional pressure coming out of here. And now we're just going to open this filter housing. If you need to, if you've done it super tight, you may need to use the spanner. Ensure that your teeth go in between the ridges here. That's the proper use of the spanner. In my circumstance, I'm probably just going to be able to do it with the hand. There we go. Now, it's a little bit messy. Some water's going to come out of this. There is a lot of pressure in it. Just get a tea towel handy and make sure you've got a bucket here. You can see that the cartridge is absolutely full of water. I'm just going to get up, come back to you in 2 moments. Now this is a brand new cartridge, so you can see that it's in good nick, but we just wanted to show you exactly how to replace the filter. Very simple. Once again, screw him back up. Make sure you've got that firm. Hand tight is enough. That's as simple as that is. Turn off your filter, turn off your tap, turn the water supply back onto the filter, and off you go. That's as simple as changing those cartridges is.